Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for differentiation. Find the derivative of the fx which is equals to 1 over 2 multiplied with the square root of x by using the first principle. So let's take down the formula. So we have limit when h approaching 0 for the function f bracket x plus with the h minus the fx over the h. So kindly substitute. Limit when h approaching 0, we have 1 over 2 square root x plus with the h minus 1 over 2 square root of x over the h. So if we substitute the situation and we notice that we will have the situation 0 over 0 where we have the IDF. So my suggestion would be equate the denominator. So limit when h approaching 0, we have 2 square root of x minus the bracket 2 square root of x plus with the h over we have the 2 square root of x multiplied with 2 square root of x plus with the h multiplied with the h. So continue with the situation and we notice that again, if we substitute the situation and we notice that we still have the 0, 0, which is the IDF. So again, my suggestion would be multiply by the conjugate. So here we have the situation 2 square root of x plus we have 2 multiply with the square root of x plus with the h over 2 square root of x plus with the 2 square root of x plus with the h. So notice that we only expand for one part. So which is the numerator? Do remember, make use of the formula. We have the a squared minus b squared. So we have the a squared. Then we have limit when h approaching 0. So we have 4x minus this one we square. So we will have 4 bracket x plus with the h over 2 square root of x multiplied with 2 square root of x plus with the h multiplied with 2 set x plus with the 2 square root of x plus with the h. So kindly simplify the situation. Next, limit when h approaching 0, we have 4x minus the 4x minus the 4h over we have the h multiplied with 2 square root of x 2 square root of x plus with the h. Then we have 2 set x plus 2 set x plus with the h. So notice that we can simplify 0. Then we can simplify this part. So rewrite the situation again. Limit when h approaching 0, we have the negative 4 over. So from here we can substitute the situation. So if we substitute in here, we have the 0. If we substitute here, we have the 0. So the situation will be negative 4 over. Here we will have the value 4. And then the situation will be set x multiplied with the set x. So we will have the x. Continue, bracket. We have 4 set x. So rewrite the situation. So we have the f prime x, which is equals to, so negative. So this one we can simplify. Then we have 1 over 4 x to the power of, so here we have 1, here we have 1 over 2. So it becomes 3 over 2. Or you may rewrite the situation negative 1 over 4 x to the power of negative 3 over 2. So that is the first derivative. Next, if the situation here we have fx, which is equals to bracket x plus with the x to the power 1 over 2 bracket 1 over 2. So find the f prime x. Then deduce the value for f prime bracket 1. So what we have to do is to differentiate the situation given. So we have f prime x, which is equals to, focus on the outer part where we have 1 over 2 bracket x plus with the x power 1 over 2 bracket negative 1 over 2. Focus the internal function. So here we have the internal function. Differentiate the situation. So bracket, if we differentiate x and we will have 1 plus we have the 1 over 2 and then x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Then we have 1 after we differentiate the x. So rewrite the situation. So f prime x, where we have the situation 1 over the 2 square root of x plus with the square root of x. Bracket plus we have 1 over 2 square root of x. So rewrite f prime x equals to, we have the 2 square root of x plus with the 1 over the 2 square root of x over, we have the 2 square root of x plus with the square root of x. Simplify the situation, f prime x, where we have 1 plus with the square root of x over, then we have 4 square root of x multiplied with the square root of x plus with the square root of x. So that is the f prime x. Then deduce the situation, we have f prime with the 1, where we have 1 plus with the 2 over 4 multiplied with the 1 square root, we have the 1 plus with the 1. So here we have 3 over the 4 square root of 2. So multiply by the conjugate, then we have 3 square root of 2 over, we have the 4 multiplied with the 2. Finally, the f prime with the 1, where we have 3 multiplied with the square root of 2 over the 8. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.